Struggling with drawing legs and ending up with legs that look like sausages? Then this video is for you, stay tuned. Hi guys, Mobin here. Today I'm going to teach you how to avoid drawing legs like sausages. Let's get started. Proportions. To learn how to draw a leg, you first need to understand its proportions. If we look at a leg and identify the knee, you'll notice that the length from the thigh to the knee is the same as from the knee to the ankle. Make sure to note this down, and let's get started. Some people draw the knee and then make the thigh and lower leg the same size, like this. You might think this is correct, but it's completely wrong. In art, we call this the sausage, where the knee and leg look like two sausages stuck together, which means the leg has an anatomical problem. The correct way to draw the leg is like this. The bones of the foot are shaped like two sausages that curve in opposite directions, and this curvature must be carefully observed when drawing. You have to remember these steps, like this. No, like this. And one very important thing. As always, this is a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw a face in profile, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.